Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, walaikum assalam.
Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Full High School.
What is the name of your university?
The name of my university is Dhaka University.
What is the name of your company?
The name of my company is Arefel.
What is the name of your village?
The name of my village is Pasparia.
What is the name of your district?
The name of my district is Hobbyganj.
What is the name of your institute?
The name of my institute is Perfect Teaching Home.
What is the name of your game?
The name of my game is football.
What is the name of your football?
The name of my football is deer ball.
What is the name of your mobile phone?
The name of my mobile phone is iPhone.
What is the name of your shop?
The name of my shop is Shunoraji.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is water ball.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is English.
What is your favorite newspaper?
My favorite newspaper is Daily Star.
What is your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is top.
What is your favorite story?
My favorite story is Fox and Tiger.
What is your favorite brand?
My favorite brand is iPhone.
What is your favorite TV channel?
My favorite TV channel is Madani channel.